all done. Of course, it's windy again. Sorry. Gotta love the weather. Clay barred, cut, polished. Clean the wheels up. Ceramic coated. Clean the inside. Turned out pretty good. Wish the sun was out. Probably look better. Pretty cool little car. Load around for me. Car get in and out of it. Inside it. Cleaned up underneath the hood a little bit. Cleaned up pretty good. Alright, that's it for now. Another one showing up here later on we'll do a video on. Kind of a cool car, you might have seen it around. So, when it gets here I'll have video of it later on, later on this evening. So, if it ain't dark I'll do a video on it, but don't have to wait till the next day. Alright, stay tuned for more. You know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that other fun stuff you gotta do. Thank you. Bye.